2nd of August 2024, Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially released the jersey, home jersey for Krobia Asante Kotoko. Season eda yenimi 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season. Kotoko jersey obesha ha mede bro on Super 24 TV. The dasu yenti ensha so say the away jersey last season, but new jersey na ankasa no eno na mede atu screen so amount F papa. So the jersey has 3 colors: red, white and black. Yellow ne de yemfa ne say Kotoko logo no. Inti jersey no ene da so no. Apart from that, Kotoko esa the information about saying Kotoko and THB, the German company, omo extended omo deal no for another years no saying ni nyina ho nsem wo ha be dey bro on Super 24 TV. Information ni nya bape quickly. The eye bia wo se ejai na ye de bremo the Kumasi Asante Kotoko hub no so, because very important. So official Asante Kotoko home jersey for 2024-2025 and that screen. So now Asante Kotoko announcement and also that on way 1 minute ago me say Super 24 TV no ye ba say be some as part of your social corporate responsibility no ye wo Kumasi. It is so fast ye wo Kumasi ne de ye project ye Krobia Asante Kotoko no say Kotoko ye ni bibia te say broche club o say Asante Kotoko is delighted to announce the extension of our kits partnership with the Hope brand, a German-based company entity, for an additional 2 years. The Hope brand confirmed. Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ho say odi to dwa say won the THB brand ayon kofa ekasubomo mudi no omo asa atwim atrem for 2 years. Kotoko and THB signed in 2023 after the IMC ni take over no for a 1 year. And we indicate say Kotoko ebesa aye renewal option for renew, and God been so good renewal and about for 2 years no. So Kotoko home jersey no and down no jersey ne echi say net here and uhunu wo ho no and pants no so na wo ho no and their friend hose socks no and also and a no. Now the away jersey no and also video no meya mouse not too long ago also no so me di tumu ma na ye hunu de elko na ba bi ebenye bi atone de Kotoko de ba ya ye de beba Super 24 TV.